Well, it finally happened. My Bitcoin Mining App account was finally KYC'd, and as it happens to pretty much everybody else, it failed. But luckily for me, a few people in my community have gone through this before. So they told me to send an email, and this is what they got back to me with. I failed for risky reasons, which is what they say to everybody. But you can also see that I was going to get a refund of 1,404 USDT. And you can see what they needed from me was a 10 to 25 second video starting from your profile and then going into settings, and then you click on restore and it'll take a couple seconds. That's pretty easy. And then I bought two $600 miners with Google Play, so I went back and found those receipts. And then I have my Trust wallet, which has the Tron network, so I found the TRC20 network for USDC and gave them that as well. And after they confirmed all of that, you can see that my account ID 574252, my Tron USDT address 1404 USDC, and then all I had to do was reply confirmed. And then they just sent me an email with a contract, and I just put in the same things. It was pretty easy. And then after that, they processed my contract, and in about 3 days, this ended up coming up on my app. So I click confirm refund initiation, and then next I click confirm, and you can see the refund was completed, and that my account will be activated within 48 hours. It was a good run. But now let's look at my Trust wallet. And there it is, 1,404 USDT. So while this wasn't a complete scam, I ended up watching a whole bunch of offset ads for no reason. So what that means is no more weekly account updates and no more return on investment shorts. But at the end of the day, I had a good run, and I don't make this channel without the Bitcoin Mining app. But don't get me wrong, I'm very happy that I don't have to watch those 10 ads a day anymore. At this point, we have better apps for watching ads for sats, and we have Nexora, which has real ASICs and higher APRs in the Bitcoin Mining app. And also factoring in the 10 offset ads you watch a day, I can't see why any newcomer would want to invest into the Bitcoin Mining app, especially when there are many other good options on the market. I'll definitely miss my 8,511 sats, but it's just getting moved to another different cloud mining platform, so I'm still stacking sats. But the good news is Nexora just recently updated their deposit system, so I'll be showing a $1,400 deposit with Tron USDT. And I believe that'll let me buy about 100 terahash, maybe a little bit more. So I should have that video coming out really soon as well. One thing I do have to mention that, my Satoshi contest, 100,000 sats, somebody will win 10. Well, that's actually on my girlfriend's account. So that account is still alive and the contest is still alive. Once I hit 50,000 sats, I'll make my next update on that, but the contest is still on, guys. But honestly, at this point, I'm not really promoting this app, so I don't know why I'd put my invite code out there, because I don't think people should invest in this at this point. But having my girlfriend's account, I'll know if a major update happens, and I'll report that as well. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share with a friend. I do my best to break down all of these Bitcoin cloud mining apps and try to show you all the best options that I can find. Thank you to everybody who's watched my videos. My sat stacking journey is just getting started, and I'm happy that you're on this journey with me. I appreciate you all for watching, and until next time, I'll see you up in the clouds.